Shalom Chavrim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be my tutorial on how to use Jing. But before we review that, let me say that I am using Jing on a Mac computer, and the instructions may be somewhat different from using Jing on a Windows PC. But let me share with you how I use Jing, which is a free screen recording and image capturing and editing web tool. So the first thing you do is you want to click on the Jing app, or and in my case it's located in my dock, and I click on this. Okay, and what that does is it causes this to appear. Sometimes it looks like a circle with lines. Other times it will show as a sun. So let's just go and click this particular icon for Jing. Okay, again, it may look like a sun with three different spokes on it, and let's capture this page. Okay, so we notice what I do. You see these crosshairs, I bring them down to the bottom. I'll show that to you again. I bring these crosshair down to the bottom of the page, and I hope you can see this, but I can capture an image here. I can capture a video here. Okay, what we're interested in doing is capturing a video. So we click on capture the video, and the mic will go on. And we then can do a screen recording. So if I want to teach my students or my staff how to use Jing, you simply click on Jing and you go over here, and as you saw, we enabled the Jing to be engaged in a screen recording. So we have a screen recording now, and we could show people how to do all kinds of things, how to get to the contacts, right? We can show people how to get to Google Plus, right? We can show people, your students, how to get to Google Drive, etc. And it's basically a tool for screen recording. Now with Jing, you only have 5 minutes of time available, but that should be sufficient. And when you're finished, you click finish. If you want to pause the video, you go over here. If you want to mute it, and if you want to restart or you want to cancel it, you go over here. But let's say that we are satisfied and we want to finish it. So I'm going to click finish this. Okay. So here is an example of what we just did. I'll let you listen to that for a moment. And we then can do a screen recording. So if I want to teach my students, okay, so you got to see the screen recording. Now, if you want to save this screen recording onto your computer, you just click save, and it will save it to your computer. If you want to get a URL or a link for this screen recording, you click over here. You see right over here? Let me just move this slowly. Share via screencast.com, which is where the URLs for the screencasts are. So we're going to click on this, and you see that it's uploading the screen recording to screencast.com. You see how the screencast is being uploaded onto screencast.com. Okay. We're just waiting for that to occur. After it has occurred, you are able to view on screencast. So let's see, it said it was uploaded. Let's view on screencast. And let's click here. And soon you will actually be able to hear the screencast. And we then can do a screen recording. So if I want to teach my students or my staff. All right, we can stop this over here. The other point to mention is if you copy this link, right, by going to the edit file and go to copy, you can actually send this link to your students. Let me give you an example of that. So if we compose this, we send this link. Okay, let's say I send it to myself, Richard D. Solomon. We'll call this link to Jing screencast. And we just send that. Soon we will receive the link. Here it is, link to Jing's screencast. And you click over here and your students can get the link to the screencast. Okay, one last thing I want to show to you. This is just an extra if you want to capture and take a image, it'll actually capture this image. Okay, and what's interesting about the image is you can put arrows here, and you can go like that. You can write text. Let's write some text and say, this is my Gmail account. Right? You can change colors, and you just save it by going here, or you could save it by uploading. This will save it down to your computer, and this will save it and upload it onto Screencast, which is for free. So basically, that's how Jing works. You want to see the screencast, you view the screencast, but this time you'll be viewing the picture or an image. And if you want to see it larger, you just click over here. So that, my friends, you can move it up. That, my friends, is how you use Jing for both screen recording and image capture editing. Thank you very much.